Welcome to our tutorial on how to make AI YouTube videos with ChatGPT in minutes. In this video, we'll show you step by step how to use the OpenAI's GPT-3 model to generate scripts for your YouTube videos in just a few minutes. First, you'll need to set up the environment to use ChatGPT. You'll need to sign up for an OpenAI API key, and then install the OpenAI Python library. We'll walk you through the process in this video. Once you've set up the environment, you can start generating the script for your video. You'll need to provide ChatGPT with a prompt, which is a short sentence or phrase that describes the topic of your video. ChatGPT will then generate a script based on that prompt. After ChatGPT has generated the script, you can go through it and make any necessary adjustments. You can add or remove sentences, change the tone, or make any other changes to make the script fit your needs. And that's it. With just a few minutes of work, you can use ChatGPT to generate a script for your next YouTube video.